How are you, my friend? How do you do, my friend? Anyways, today I'll be showing you how I wash my hair, and that's the shampoo I'll be using for the whole process. Yay! For those that are new on this channel, you're welcome. Subscribe to this channel and so that you can get all the new videos that I'll be posting. Yep. So beginning off, I'm going to wet my hair like you're seeing in the video. You wet the hair with water, preferably from the shower. Can be cold or warm, and for me that's the best feeling I've always had. When water pours in my hair, it brings back life. Hey. Okay, I'm still enjoying my water. Yeah. You can put your shampoo. So you put your shampoo in your hair. Make sure you focus on your scalp because that's where the dirt logs. So you have to scrub your scalp very well and ensure your shampoo is on the scalp. Let's go. Hey. Guys, a quick question for you. How often do you wash your hair? Guys, how often do you wash your hair? For me, every Friday, my scalp starts demanding for water. It starts crying loudly that I should wash it. So I do wash my hair every week. It's weekly. I don't know how about you, but for me, it's a weekly thing. And meanwhile, wash days are always a vibe. A girl dance. Hey. You wash as you dance. Make the day be full of fun. It shouldn't be a stressful day because, who doesn't like water passing their scalp? It's the best feeling ever, guys. Yo. Yeah. Anyways, let me finish washing my hair and enjoy the rest of the process. And guys, after rinsing out the first bunch of some shampoo, you go in with the second bunch of shampoo so that you ensure your hair is cleaned thoroughly. As you can see, I'm ensuring there is adequate shampoo that is applied on my hair so that I can clean my hair thoroughly. So on a wash day, you use at least 2 times. You apply the shampoo for the first time, you rinse, and then you add another shampoo the second time, and you scrub your scalp thoroughly to ensure that your hair is clean, like you're seeing in the video. Enjoy. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. Tell me how often do you wash your hair, and let's chat in the comment section below. If you have learned something from this video today, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to join the Crown Royal family. We love you so much, and bye. As we come to the end of this video, thank you for following through the whole process. I hope to see you again. I hope you follow, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye.